This quick tutorial explains how to buy shares of Bien Sparebank ASA, a regional Norwegian savings bank listed on Euronext under the ticker BIEN.OL. This is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds to trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BIEN.OL to locate the company listing. Confirm you select the Euronext listing to ensure it is the correct stock. Open the asset page to review the company's summary and the price chart, checking the issuer details. Confirm the ticker and company information to make sure this is the right share. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade, your new position will appear in your portfolio overview. For the example platform link in more details, see the description below.